Okay, now I created my charts for all the KPIs. I changed just the maximum for each one. Okay, the maximum and the minimum. Just going to more options. Here, axis options is 0, 1000. Just a get here, the minimum and the maximum. The minimum and the maximum, and I keep this as it is, and I have this to this green. Okay, so if I move now I get all green. I'm gonna check also this one. I'm gonna select the data, the bed I'm going to put in front like this, select this, and the fill is red, and this one can be another green or even a gray like this. Select data, good, bad, okay, and again this is, I think it was this one. Okay, I'm gonna select this one. I'm gonna give it red. Okay, so we have this, and the same is for this. Select data, put in front, because I cannot select, it's like when you have shapes in PowerPoint. So this is this one. Okay, and then again I'm going to do this. Select data, this. Okay, here we are, and then we're going to the first. Select data, good, I put in front, and I put when the value goes above 90% or below 10%.